This is Mr. Azevedo, and today we're going to show you how to organize your ePortfolio. So the first thing you want to do is up here at the top, click on ePortfolio. And under your ePortfolio collection, you should have titled your ePortfolio, your first and last name, and grade level. So we're going to use Mr. Gaudet's as an example. So you should have your first and last name and your grade level. Let's go ahead and click on your ePortfolio, open it up. And now we should see your homepage. Your homepage should clearly show your first and last name, and again, your grade level, and a little bit about me blurb down below. Over here on the left-hand side, next to your name, you should upload an image of yourself. And then down below here, we should have all of our classes. So we're going to have a page for each one of our classes. So you're going to have your core classes, your English, math, science, social science, and your electives, right? If you're in VAPA, if you're in band, choir, music appreciation, or art, you're going to have those classes here. If you're in CTE with Mr. Azevedo in cybersecurity, or Mr. Shoemaker, STEAM Mesa, or home ec with Ms. Diaz Cortez, you'll have those classes listed here, along with physical education and any extracurricular activities. So teachers, at this time, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and allow your students to correctly title their ePortfolio and make sure that everything looks good. And then in the next video, we're going to show you how to create a page for each one of your classes. Hello again, everyone. Mr. Azevedo here. So in the first video, I showed you how to organize your ePortfolio and how your ePortfolio should look. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pages to your ePortfolio. So the first thing we want to do is go up here to the top of our screen, click on ePortfolio. Then you want to scroll over to your ePortfolio. Go ahead and open that up. And over here on the left-hand side, underneath your name, you're going to see Add Page. So we're going to click on Add Page, and now you're going to add a page for each one of your classes. So whatever you have for, say, first period, you're going to click here, Edit Title, in the name of your first period class, save. Then you're going to go over here again, click Add Page, and then you're going to add your second period class. Save. Over here again, Add Page. Oops, I added math twice. So if I want to delete a page, I'm just going to click on that page, go over here and click Delete Page. Now that page is gone. So now I'm going to click over here on Add a Page again, and my third period class is History. Save. So you can see here, all my classes are starting to show up as I add them. So at this time, teachers, we're going to go ahead and give our students time to create a page for each one of their classes. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add content to each one of your pages in your ePortfolio.